In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to check recent snaps you sent. Let's get started. First, launch your Snapchat app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the chats page. Then open any of the conversation where you want to see the recent snap. Inside the conversation, Snapchat will show you the status of your snap, whether it was sent, delivered, opened, or even replayed using different icons like filled arrows or open arrows. If the snap is still visible in the chat, you may also see additional details like when it was opened. Now, if you want more detailed information about the snap activity, what you want to do is head back, click on the Bitmoji icon. Once you're on the profile page, click on settings icon. Now scroll all the way down until you find the option of My Data. Click on that. Here, Snapchat allows you to request a full download of your account information that will include login history, friend list, and Snapchat activity. You can toggle on for the option Chat History and click on Next. Now select the time period, likewise confirm your email address and click on Submit. After a short while, Snapchat will send a download link to your email. Simply download the zip file, extract it, and open the folder to view your account activity, including information related to your sent snaps. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.